Hello students, today we are going to see preparation of alkyl iodides from alcohols. In this preparation method we are going to use phosphorus trihalide. Preparation of alkyl iodides from alcohols. Reaction of alcohols with phosphorus triiodide Pi3. Before starting with the reaction, like the channel, share it with your friends and subscribe it. Let's begin. Let's study the preparation of alkyl halides, or you can say alkyl iodides, from alcohols by using phosphorus triiodide. Phosphorus triiodide is very less stable. So it is prepared from red phosphorus and iodine in situ. Let's see the reaction with primary alcohols. Here the primary alcohol taken is ethyl alcohol. 3 molecules of ethyl alcohol when treated with potassium triiodide, the reaction is taking place to give you ethyl iodide and H3PO3. 3 molecules of ethyl iodide are obtained, and here potassium triiodide is prepared in situ. That means we have to react red phosphorus and iodine, and at that situation Pi3 is obtained, which reacts with ethyl alcohol to give you ethyl iodide, and H3PO3 is the byproduct. Let's see the next reaction with secondary alcohol. Here the secondary alcohol taken is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, 3 molecules of isopropyl alcohol react with Pi3 potassium triiodide to give isopropyl iodide and H3PO3 as the byproduct. Again Pi3 here also is prepared in situ. Let's see the reaction with tertiary alcohol. Here the alcohol taken is tertiary butyl alcohol. When treated with Pi3 in situ preparation, it gives you tertiary butyl iodide and H3PO3 as the byproduct. As you can see in all these reactions which we have taken for phosphorus trihalides, you will find here the alcohols are 3 molecules of alcohols are taken, and Pi3 is treated with 3 molecules of alcohol to give 3 molecules of alkyl iodide, and H3PO3 is obtained. If you want to know the trick to remember this reaction, just remember 3131. Now you will ask me how it is possible. So just remember 3 molecules of alcohol treated with 1 molecule of Pi3 gives 3 molecules of alkyl iodide and 1 molecule of H3PO3. So 3131, if you remember, you can remember all the 3 reactions of phosphorus trihalide here. Thank you. Click the bell icon to get the notification of my new updates. Subscribe the channel, share it and like it. Thank you.